National Geographic Kids. Ants. Ants all around. Did you know how many ants live in the world? More than 10 quadrillion. Quadrillion, billion, million. Okay, that's a lot of ants. Ants live in fields and forests. They live under sidewalks too. Ants are everywhere. An ant is an active insect. Its tiny waist helps it bend and wriggle through tunnels. Its 6 strong legs creep and crawl. Its 2 large eyes see the world. Its super tough jaws munch and crunch. Its long feelers touch and tap. Ants at home. 1 ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4. See 1 ant and you'll see lots more. Ants live in large groups. A group of ants is called a colony. An ant colony lives in a nest. Most ants build nests underground. An ant nest is full of tunnels. Each tunnel leads to a little room. Some ants do not live underground. They live inside hollow thorns, between rocks, in rotting trees, in nests made of leaves. The Ant-Man. Brian Fisher is a scientist. He looks for new kinds of ants. Some people call him the Ant-Man. Dr. Fisher has found more than 800 new kinds of ants. He can't wait to find even more. An ant's life. The queen is the biggest ant in a colony. She lays eggs all day long. When the eggs hatch, little larvae wriggle out. They look like worms. They eat and eat and eat. Larvae turn into pupae. Pupae do not move. Pupae do not eat. After a few weeks, they turn into adult ants. Worker ants. Most of the ants in a colony are workers. All worker ants are female. Inside the nest. Some worker ants dig new tunnels. Others take care of eggs, larvae, and pupae. Outside the nest. Some worker ants collect food. Others guard the nest. Ants with wings. A few ants in the colony have wings. Some are females, some are males. Ants with wings fly out of the nest. They start new colonies. Superhero ants. Aqua Ant. Aqua Ant lives in Australia. She can swim, dive, and even live underwater. Mama Marvel. Mama Marvel is an African driver ant. She lays 50 million eggs a year. Hulking Hercules. Hulking Hercules is a bulldog ant. She can lift more than 20 times her body weight. The Big Biter. The Big Biter is a trap-jaw ant. She has the fastest bite in the animal world. Biter can snap her jaw shut at a speed of 145 miles an hour. What's for dinner? Most ants catch and eat other insects. Some ants eat dead animals. Leafcutter ants grow their own food. They have fungus gardens inside their nest. Many ants take care of aphids. Aphids are small insects. They make sugary poop that ants like to eat. Mmm, yummy. Army ants hunt for food every day. The colony looks like a moving, munching carpet. Army ants sting and bite everything in their path. They can kill insects, spiders, lizards, and baby birds. Army ants are not the only ants that sting and eat animals. Fire ants have poison that they inject into other insects, animals, and even people. It leaves a burning feeling. That is how fire ants got their name. There are more than 280 different kinds of fire ants. Hooray for ants! Ants are an important part of our world. They are food for other animals. Birds, frogs, and spiders eat ants. So do monkeys and aardvarks. As ants dig tunnels, they mix the dirt. Plants grow better in dirt with ants. Colony, a group of ants that lives together. Fungus, a living thing that is not a plant or animal. Larvae, the second stage in the life of many insects. Pupae, the third stage in the life of many insects. The end. Ants.